Are you looking for the best compact miter? In this video we will look at some of the best compact miter on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. XMSJ MM1215 Compound Miter. Dual bevel sliding compound miter saw. Our powerful 15 amp motor slices through even the hardest of woods, providing 5,000 blade rotations per minute. This versatile saw bevels and miters up to 45 degrees in either direction with a front bevel control for fast and easy adjustment. Cut boards up to 13.25 inches wide and 4.5 inches thick. Omeg compound cuts. 45 degrees bevel and 45 degrees miter, in boards up to 9.25 inches wide and 3.125 inches thick. The saw features 9 miter stops, 2 at 15 degrees, 2 at 22.5 degrees, 2 at 30 degrees, 2 at 45 degrees and 1 at 0. However, if a more unique angle is preferred, the miter lock still allows the saw to lock at any angle between those stops. The onboard LED cut line guide casts a shadow against the blade to illuminate your line of cut for maximum accuracy, while the dust collection port allows for connection to either the included dust bag or your dust collection device of choice. This spacious saw also features a 6½ inch crown molding nested capacity and a 6½ inch baseboard vertical capacity. Number 2. XMSJ MM1011T Compound Miter. Powerful 15 amp motor cuts boards up to 12 inches wide and 3½ inches thick. Miter 45 degrees in either direction, featuring 9 miter stops, or bevel 45 degrees to the left. Onboard class 2 laser guide illuminates your line of cut, features a 7½ inch crown molding nested capacity and a 6¾ inch baseboard vertical capacity. Includes a 10-inch 40-tooth carbide tipped blade, 2 table extensions, 1 clamp assembly, a dust bag, a dust port adapter. Number 3. Metabo HPT Sliding Compound Miter. The 12-inch sliding dual compound miter saw, C12RSH2S, is the top of the line, ideal for trim carpenters, framers, and woodworkers who demand precision and reliability. It is equipped with a compact slide system that requires zero clearance. The fixed rail system allows the saw head to smoothly glide along the fixed rails, eliminating the rear clearance that other sliding miter saws require. The compact slide system decreases the footprint of the saw by up to a foot, saving valuable real estate in any shop environment. The saw also features tall sliding fences that allow for cutting much larger material, while easily sliding out of the way when making bevel cuts. The easily adjustable tool-less laser marker allows even the most novice user to make perfect accurate cuts. Number 4. Metabo HPT 12 inches Sliding Compound Miter. Hitachi Power Tools has renamed the Metabo HPT powerful 15 amp motor to tackle tough cutting jobs with ease. Allows the saw head to slide along fixed rails, eliminating the need for rear clearance. WH18DDX 18 volts compact impact driver. 1. DS18DDX 18 volts compact driver drill. 2. 1.5 hour batteries. 1. Number 2 Phillips bit. And 1. Carrying bag drill driver is only 1.9 pounds. 2.7 pounds with battery, and impact is only at 1.8 pounds. 2.6 pounds with 1.5 hour battery. Impact produces 1,240 pounds of torque, 3,200 max RPM, and 4,000 max BPM for a variety of applications. Number 5. LUXTER Sliding Wood Miter. Please kindly note that our price don't include any tax. It is difficult for seller to calculate tax charge. Thank you for choosing our products, and your kindly understanding. We will provide you with the best price, and after sales, please contact with us for any questions freely. We are the owner of LUXTER brand, LUXTER official store. We guarantee that all the products from us are 100% LUXTER original products.